Mastering adjectives and adverbs. Elevate your English. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into an essential aspect of English grammar, adjectives and adverbs. We will focus on understanding their functions and how to use them correctly in sentences. Ready to make your English more vibrant and precise? Let's get started. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, making your writing and conversation more detailed and interesting. They primarily describe nouns and pronouns. For instance, in the sentence, "She has a big, beautiful dog." Big and beautiful are adjectives describing the dog. Now, let's turn to adverbs. Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They provide additional information about how, when, where, and why something happens. For example, in the sentence, "He runs quickly," quickly is an adverb describing how he runs. Using adjectives correctly is essential for clear and engaging communication. A common mistake is the misplacement of adjectives, which can change the meaning of a sentence. The general rule is that the adjective should be placed directly before the noun it is describing. For instance, "I have a black cat" is correct, not "I have a cat black." The correct use of adverbs can greatly enhance your communication skills. Like adjectives, placement matters with adverbs too. They usually go before the word they modify. For example, "She sings beautifully" is correct, not "She beautifully sings." However, there are exceptions to this rule, and flexibility is allowed depending on what you want to emphasize. Now, it's time to put what we've learned into practice. Try crafting your own sentences using adjectives and adverbs correctly. Here's a challenge. Write a sentence with both an adjective and an adverb, and try changing the placement to see how it impacts the meaning. And there you have it, folks. Today, we've learned about adjectives and adverbs, and how their correct usage can enrich our English communication. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master the use of these descriptive words. Thanks for watching, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.